Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know I went MIA for a whole month, but now I'm back with an amazing video. I'm here with a green half cut crease look, and I really hope you guys enjoy this. So let's get started. So you guys know that before I start any look, I like to apply my Scotch tape. So I do apply this in a diagonal form. That way it looks nice and bold. And to get started, I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer. For this look, I am using the Maybelline concealer in the number 20. And I'm applying this all over my lid, waiting for it to dry and set it with a little bit of powder. And to get started with my first transition color, I am using the Chrome Yellow from MAC, and I'm applying this on my crease area, of course, using nice round blending motions. So I'm going to go in with my Bella Cosmetics palette B35D, and I'm going to be using a little bit on the light side of the blue. As I build my color, I'm going to move into a darker color. Of course, I'm applying this in round motions and applying it on the crease, of course leaving some space for the yellow color also to be visible on my lid. So I'm using the eyeshadow in Prussian from MAC, and I'm going to be applying this color on the same place that I was applying the light blue colors. Of course, the purpose of this is to build and intensify the color. Prepared for the cut crease, keep a bold colors in. Now I'm blending my eyeshadow, my blue and my yellow. Of course, it's going to turn it into green because yellow, blue makes it green. So I'm going to start blending. That way we don't have too much boldness. And right after that, I'm going to pick up my flat brush, my concealer, and slowly start creating that crease on my lid. I know that I say this in every video, you got to take your time when creating a cut crease. Honestly, if you take your time, take a deep breath, go very slow, you are going to get a straight cut crease. But if you're taking your time, you're rushing, there's no way you're going to get it. So make sure you guys take your time in creating this cut crease. Right after you have your cut crease, well, for me, I'm going to apply a white color just kind of to set at the center of it, because I do like color. I just feel like it makes the crease stand out a lot more. And then right after that, I'm going to start adding my colors. Back to my yellow eyeshadow from MAC, I'm going to go ahead and apply this on the inner corner of my eyes, and of course I'm doing this on both sides. With the yellow, I'm going to go in more towards the middle because this is the first transition color. Right after that, I'm going to go halfway in with my blue eyeshadow from MAC, also in Prussian. So I'm going to take my eyeliner brush from Morphe in M251. So I'm going to go ahead and just apply my liner. I love this brush because it's just so fine, so thin. And of course you can do your eyeliner the way that you want. And right after that, go ahead and apply your eyelashes and move into the bottom section. Next, I'm going to go in with my blue eyeshadow and just blend out the bottom portion of my eye with a little bit, again, of the blue shadow, and fill in with a black on my waterline. So I'm done with the bottom portion of my eye, so I'm going to go ahead and apply a little bit of mascara. Right after that, I'm going to do last touches on my face, blush, lipstick, highlight, all that good stuff. And I'm going to show you guys the ending result. And here is the final result. I hope you guys really enjoyed this cut crease. Honestly, it requires a lot of bold colors, a lot of stacking, a lot of blending, and once you have that and take your time with your cut crease, it should look exactly like this, if not prettier. So if you guys recreate this look, don't forget to tag me on Instagram, #MissSilverMUA. Don't forget to subscribe, drop your comments below, and I'll see you guys on the next video with a giveaway.